Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying you have the 32-bit edition. This matters because uninstall paths differ. Once confirmed, backup templates, signatures, and any product keys so you can restore them. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator. Without admin rights, removal will fail or leave orphaned files. Now open Settings, go to Apps and Features, and find Microsoft Office. Once located, select it and click Uninstall to start the built-in removal process. This is the correct first step. You'll follow the system flow. Use the settings Uninstall and allow the built-in uninstaller to run. This removes Click-to-Run or MSI components. Once done, restart the PC to finalize registry and file changes. If the uninstaller errors or hangs, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool to clean up stubborn components. Make sure to inspect both Program Files and Program Files, x86, for lingering Office folders and delete them manually if necessary, because leftover files can block reinstallation. To finish, clear temporary files and run disk cleanup so no installer cache remains. This prevents conflicts on reinstall. If you plan to reinstall the 32-bit Office, use the correct 32-bit installer and sign into your account for activation. This avoids license mismatches. If activation or repair still fails, remove leftover registry keys related to Office or rerun the Support and Recovery Assistant. One tip: if you hit errors, reboot into safe mode and delete residual folders before repeating the uninstall or reinstall steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.